You are hired.
What? I don't believe it!
Yes, you just cleared the interview round. Let's discuss the further process. Do you really know how much happiness it gives when you got selected? The question here is how to clear the interviews with confidence without having any doubts or tensions after the interview. So, hi guys, welcome to the Placement Prep Series Part 3. In this video, let's discuss about key things you need to learn and steps to clear the interview. In general, there are mainly three keys that will make you clear the interview successfully: the communication, the technical skills, and the art of smartness. Let's talk about this. So, the main thing is communication. See, interview is not an exam. You pass or fail. They are just conversations. The main problems students face in the communication are no clarity in words while speaking, no correct formation of sentences, unable to speak openly or freely, heart racing or palm sweating. Comment down which problem are you facing right now. So, the number one is no clarity in words while speaking. See, if you are not speaking English in your day at all, you will end up with pronunciation problems and stuttering if you suddenly speak in English. So, practice reading out loud anything like reading books or newspaper in English. Read out loud so that every word in English can be pronounced clearly with clarity. That's how you learn to speak clearly. The second one, sentence formations. Most students have stuff inside their brains. They stumble when they speak. If you are this brain thinking guy, comment down. Now, how to form sentences correctly. This is a little tricky thing. Here is what you need to do. Start describing things in English. For example, take Instagram Reels. Describe a scene from a reel to your friend in English. This way, your brain will be automatically line up words and then form proper sentences. I personally follow this trick. I try to explain any object or scene in English. This gives me confidence when I answer spontaneously. The next one, shy people. These guys are especially girls. No offense to boys. But honestly, if you are always worried about what others will say about your communication, you are probably surrounded by the wrong people. Change your circle. Move to the group of friends who encourage your growth and praise your effort. Start by speaking with familiar people. Slowly, you will get rid of this insecurity. By the time you attend the interviews, you will be much more confident and free to talk. The last step, anxious people. These people don't know what's happening in the interview. It's like they are in another nation. Yes, the imagination. They don't listen the questions properly. So, the problem is they don't really concentrate on the questions what they are asking. What's the fix? Listen carefully. Listen carefully to what they are asking. Understand what kind of answer they are expecting. Be calm and relax. Don't fear the interview or the situation. If you really don't know the answer, just reply to them like this. As of now, I am not aware of that, but I am good at this project or this skill. You can politely reply them like this. Just be calm and relax. I guess this is all about the communication. Now moving on to how to answer to them smartly. So the first thing you need to do before is to research about the company and the role. How to do that? So check the description of the role and company and get the insights. Most candidates underestimate how powerful their resume can be or how easily it can ruin your interview. So what to do? Know each and every line of your resume. So if it's there, you must be able to explain it. Highlight your achievements also, not just your responsibilities. Tailor your resume to fit the role. Now let's start the common interview questions. The first and foremost question most interviewers ask, introduce yourself. The example answer will be, hi everyone, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Balaji. I have completed my schooling in DAV High School and secured 10 by 10 GPA and finished intermediate at Narayana Junior College with 92%. And now I am currently pursuing my 4th year at Satyabama University with 8.9 current GPA. And my expertise are, I am from CSE background. I am proficient in Python with data structures and basic Java. And the tools I am familiar with are NumPy, Pandas, Git and Matplotlib. And I am familiar with MongoDB and MySQL. I have completed 2 academic projects, namely sign language detection using deep learning and bike sharing demand using machine learning. Apart from the technical skills, I am a badminton player. I have attended several tournaments and won many prizes. That is all about me. So here, what I gave is not just a simple self-introduction. I just landed a good impression in the starting itself. This will make your interview more smoother. So keep in mind that first impression is the best impression. Give the best intro, short and sweet about yourself. That makes you a good candidate apart from the competition. And the next question they will ask is, explain your project. Here, they will be testing your communication and project knowledge. Make sure to include the purpose, your contribution, target users, project workflow, tools and technologies used, results and conclusion. Let's see an example. The sign language detection system is a deep learning project created for deaf and mute individuals. I was the technical lead with a team of 2. The goal was to build a real-time virtual speaker for them. We used CNN and RNN model to recognize hand gestures. The system uses webcam through Flask to capture live images, analyze them, and display the American Sign Language letters from A to Z. And now, by pressing the enter key, it will capture the letter. Like these, sentences are formed in real time. And with the speak option, using Google Voice, the sentences will be spoken out loud. We achieved 95% of accuracy in the detection of signs. The project solved a real-time problem and gave excellent results. This kind of detailed structure explanation show your skills and clarity. So here we included the all things and explained very clearly about the project and given a good impression. The interviewers check that how skillful the candidate is. After this, technical questions may start on languages, logic or database. I have created a interview prep kit with technical questions, company-wise breakdowns and best example answers. Check it out at my website learnwithbobby.com. If we discuss more about the technical questions, the video will be very much long. So let's jump into how to answer HR questions. HR will be asking the questions on behavioral type and situational type. He checks whether you are able to form sentences correctly or not. HR is the person who will validate your communication skills and he will be playing some tricks on you. For example, take this question. This question was asked in TCS interview for me. If you have two offers, one is from TCS and another one is from Google, which one will you accept? So guys, think for 5 seconds and pause the video and give your creative answer for this question in the comments below. I have researched a lot about TCS because I cleared the exams. So I contacted my seniors and my PG roommates about the company and how will be the training given for freshers. As of now, I only know about the TCS and I personally hoping that TCS will be giving good opportunities in the company for the freshers. So I would go with the TCS. For this answer, I didn't receive any kind of face like happy face or sad face from the HR. Did I get the right answer? The HR gave me no expression face, no happy, no sad, just blank. So like this, you must be ready to give answers smartly and spontaneously. How to learn to give answers like this? So here I am giving you some points to keep in mind whenever you are answering the questions. 1. You must give a satisfactory answer. The interviewer must be satisfied with your answer. 2. You should never give a negative answer. That creates an uncomfortable environment. 3. Make sure your answer is polite and professional. 4. Have a good body language. Do not touch your faces while answering and do not set your face while answering. 5. Have a good smile, no matter what situation you are facing in the interview. So you must learn these things so that you will be good at answering. Now, the main question is how to handle the unknown questions. Most of the students will be giving answers like, sorry, I don't know that. I didn't learn about that. Don't ask irrelevant questions. Please don't do this. Instead say, as of now, I am unaware of the topic, but I will definitely learn it. Meanwhile, feel free to ask me more about my project or the tools I have worked on. That's a positive and professional way to handle unknown questions. I have included more tips like this in the interview prep kit, including editable word formats, responses, and full guides. Remember, interview is the last step towards success. Don't mess it up. The final question the interviewers generally ask is, do you have any questions for us? You must take this opportunity. Here are 2 example questions and more examples are in my PDF. Question number 1. Is there any chance of switching domains in the future? If I want to learn cloud or full stack, will the company will support that? And the question number 2 is, can you describe the day-to-day responsibilities of this role? Don't just say thank you and leave. Ask questions that show your interest. So like these questions, you must ask them instead of thank you. So to wrap up, interviews are not an exam you fail or pass. They are just a conversation. A chance to show who you are, how you think and why you are a great fit. Here is the quick recap of this video. Fix your communication, know your resume, practice smart answers, handle tricky questions politely and always ask them questions too. Now you are ready to ace your any interview. If you found this helpful, hit a like button, subscribe for more career tips and good luck for your next interview.